Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about a company which, if you are holding it from the lows of 1993-94, it has given you a return of 6,800% over the last 26 or probably 30 plus 30 odd years. And the way the stock has moving in the past 20 plus years is very strong, and the chart still looks very strong. But one thing that people need to understand here is probably the trend which you are looking is not a very high flyer kind of stock. Let's say the stock which has moved 100,000% in the last 10 years or 20 years, so it is not showing something like that. So the stock has moved but only by 6,000 or 7,000%, so it's actually a good return, but comparing to other stocks it may not be as good as it looks. Okay, but the trend is very strong. If you are looking for a slow and consistent compounder, then it may be one of those stocks which one needs to look at. Now, while analyzing this trend, what we are going to do, we are going to start with the current price action, because that's where the real action lies. And if you want to look into this stock, obviously you will have to look at the current trend and the positioning of the trend, where one can see probably the stock has been in a consolidating range after 2017. So as you can see, 2018. So after 2018 the stock has been moving inside a range or in between a trend. So here we have, okay, so as you can see, this is the range inside which the stock is moving. Now if you just look into this trend, then you will find you have the first support at $166, then you have $148, and on the lower end of the range you have $120. On the upside you have your target or resistance at $230. Now, because the stock is moving or trading at its lifetime high, so obviously 230 will be your big and the only resistance which the stock has left to cross. And once the stock started moving and sustaining above $231 on the upside and have consistency above that, so it means the stock has been entering into a new phase of the trend after a consolidation of 2 years. Okay, so that's where your big trend will start after $231 on the upside. But we have to check in the context of the overall trend as well. So I'm just removing this point for the time being. You can just go back and check out these levels in the video. Now, okay, so this was your current trend. But if you are looking at the chart, so what we are going to do, we are going to use line chart for the time being. Okay, so just have a look at it. So you have your previous levels like this. Okay, so this was the level previously, and after that the stock has started moving from here to here. Okay, that is fine. Then another movement you will see from this level to this level. Okay, or rather, using that, if you can use this, that would be fine. Okay, so you have a movement from this level to this level. Also you have your movement from this level to this level. So as you can see, there are trend shifts which are happening from time to time. Okay, now first of all you have your trend like this. So this is your immediate trend inside which the stock is moving, and that's very important for one to understand who has already invested, because this will give you a sense of intermediate trend. Okay, so here we have, and in the overall scenario, if one needs to check out the trend, so here one can check it out. So here we have, because the way you are observing the trend will completely individual, and with that the trend also shifts. And if you are using this range, okay, if you are using this range, you will get a different picture, as you can see. Okay, so what one needs to do here is we have to stick with the current trend. That would be fine. Now this is your very important support, $162, because if the stock falls below this level, then obviously what you are staring at in the long term will be a next support which will come at $56. So that's where your big risk lies, because we are looking at a monthly chart which is long term in time frame, so it has its own importance. But one should not deny that risk always persists, and one need to consider risk in each and every circumstances. Okay, so if the stock falls below 162, that would be a problem. That should not happen. That one needs to take care of. And as we have already discussed, that the stock need to cross above $230, 200 and probably $31 for a fresh trend to happen. So here we have that thing. Okay, so the stock needs to move and sustain above let's say 232, $233. If it happens, if it happens, then we are going to look at a level which will be in between 367 and $650 on the upside. Okay, so here we have the big thing in between 600, 360 and 650, and probably it will take couple of years. Okay, so obviously the levels which I am talking about is for long term, and if one has a view of at least 3 to 5 years or more, then we are looking at a level which will be in between 360 and 650. Now let me remind you one thing again, that the stock, although the trend is very strong and it is an uptrending chart, but the kind of return the stock has given is probably less when compared to the other stocks. So what one need to do here is to be mindful of that, and do not over expect things. Let things be in slow and consistent manner, so that it will comply with the trend of the stock, as well as adjust yourself, not the stock, because you cannot adjust the stock. You have to adjust yourself and your expectation about the returns which you are expecting from the company. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.